Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanirika Agarwal and today I'm going to unbox the Nykaa products. A lot of people has viewed my stories and on Instagram, and they were like actually my knowns and the unknowns even. So they were like, why don't you show us the product? Like, I have been only putting the pic of the box. So there were many people who were like, why don't you show us the pic of your products, and why don't you just give us the reviews and tell about it, just show it how it is. So the video of today is actually, it's going to be on that. I'll just unbox it, I'll show every single product, I'll apply, and then you can just if it would be helpful for you, then it is great. So yeah, let's get started. So here is the first box. The packing is so good that all the things which you order and which everything which is coming is all bubble wrapped. Like, there's no danger of the broken pieces or the damage, nothing. Every single product would be safe. So yeah, the first product is from Nykaa, and this is eyeliner. Its actual cost is 450, but the sale was going on, as I told you. It costed me for like 334 rupees. It's pretty good, yeah. And I actually needed this type of eyeliner from so long, because you must have seen in most of my pics that I make wings. So yeah, this would be so easy for me to make wings, and the sleek wings. So I'll just show you guys. So here is the next one. This is a lip liner of Nykaa itself, and its original price is 350, which I got for 217. The price is pretty good, and the shade's name is Birthday Suit. So yeah, I'll just show you. The pencil looks like this. It's so cool. Sorry, see this? Yeah, it's so cool. I'll just apply it and show it to you. So here's the third product. This is a lip gloss. This is also from Nykaa. This is the packing, and the name is a name drop. It's pretty cool. So a lot of people, when they go out, they do not prefer putting a lipstick or matte anything. They'll many people don't even apply the proper makeup itself. They're like just normal makeup, as yeah, even I do a very normal makeup. Sometimes I just put a lip gloss and I go out. There's no need of putting every time liner or eyeshadows, nothing. So yeah, this pretty cute, and this is pretty good color also, pink. It's very light. When you go out in sunlight or something, it shines. It's so good. I'll just apply this and show you guys. So here comes my second box. My first product is again lipstick. This is a nude color, and the name is Golds. The packing is pretty good. You can see the bottle inside. Oh my god, before seeing the color itself, I was like, I need this bottle. The bottle is so good, so good, looks so stunning. So I'll just apply this color and show it to you guys. Here is the second product. This is a mascara from Maybelline. Its name is Hypercurl Mascara, and this costed me for 255 rupees. Actually, there was no discount on this product, but I needed a mascara from so long, so I just thought that let's take it, because 255 is not that expensive, and the bottle is also pretty good. You can see this is already curved, so when you apply it, your eyelashes get curled very easily. So yeah, this is pretty good. So my third product is a sharpener. This is from Color Bar. This costed me for 175 rupees. I'll just show you. You guys must be thinking that why I ordered a sharpener and like one for 175. This is a normal sharpener, you can see, but I would prefer, like, I must say that you guys should not use, if like, I know not everyone must be using a normal sharpener, but the people who are using, I would just suggest that please don't use a normal sharpener, because that eyeliner and the lip liner, whatever pencil you use on your face or the cosmetic product, it is already touching your skin. So some people's skin are so sensitive that if any small thing, like any chemical or something which touches you, it reacts so fast. So I would just prefer that buy a different proper cosmetic sharpener, so that it's just used for cosmetics and it won't cause any harm also to your skin, and you will be safe. So here is my third box. This is a makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty. Actually, I ordered this for around 250 rupees. There was no discount on this as well, but yeah, as I said, 250 is not that expensive also. You can see the bottle. This is so cute and so stylish. The usage of this, actually, it's like you have to use before, like you can use before applying your makeup or after applying your makeup. Let it dry for few minutes and then you can apply, so that whenever, if you're sweating or if your hand is getting touched on your face, it doesn't, your makeup doesn't get wiped. So this is so, actually I saw this reviews, it was like, it is so good. The product is also so good. It is like, it has aloe vera and vitamin E in this is very nice for your skin. So yeah, I'll recommend this to you guys. You can, if you want to take makeup fixers, so take it from Swiss Beauty. So yeah, this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this video would help you a bit. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also I would be uploading this video on my Instagram, so don't forget to like and comment. Do let me know if you would like to suggest me something or if you liked my video or not. Thank you.